Facing issues with adjusting TikTok privacy settings on your iPhone? It's super easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust your TikTok privacy settings on your iPhone. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Turn off private account. First, open up the TikTok app. Then tap on the profile icon below. After that, tap on the 3 lines icon from the top right corner. Now tap Settings and Privacy from the below. Then tap on Privacy. Now make sure to disable the private account. By disabling the private account, your account will switch to public. Now everyone can see your videos. Step 2. Change activity status. Here you can change your activity status. If you turn on this setting, you and your friends will see each other's activity status. Step 3. Interaction. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see the interaction section. Here you can control your interactions like comments, messages, mentions, and more settings. You set who can interact with you. After changing these settings, you can control your privacy on TikTok. It's very important to change these settings. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust TikTok privacy settings on your iPhone with ease. If this video helped, make sure to like it. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and take care.